Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia. You guys, today I'm just doing a quick video which will continue tomorrow. It's going to be a clean with me, and I wanted to show you all how the guest left it. It's for the short-term rental, and I did have a guest that checked out today. My next guest checks in tomorrow, but it's been party weekend for my daughter and just family get-together weekend. So since I didn't have anyone checking in today, they're checking in tomorrow. I'm just coming here to pick up trash, throw it out, pick up linens, get them to the house where I can wash them, and then I'll come back in the morning to actually do the cleaning and stuff. So right now it is Sunday and it is about 5 p.m. Yesterday we had Mackenzie's party. Today we had family Sunday dinner together, and yeah, I'm so tired, so I didn't want to clean today, but let me show you how the guests left it. I got to get all these linens off. They got the towels here. Looks like one's here on the floor. One's in the shower. Yeah. There. Jeez, they're hairy too, guys. Look at that. Ew. All right. Definitely got to give the shower a good cleaning. Nothing's in here. Some towels there. Nothing here for trash. I did use many of these I left. All right. So you see how it is, and we'll be back here tomorrow to clean up. All right. See you then. Hey you guys, day 2. We are back here at the unit getting it ready for the next guest that's arriving in a few hours. Had a monkey wrench threw in. As y'all know, my oldest daughter's birthday party was Saturday, which today is Monday, and it extended into Sunday with all of the festivities, which was her actual birthday yesterday on Sunday. And girl, lo and behold, she has a tummy ache. So it's all right. It's all right. She had fun, but she's recovering, and I have her here. She's laying on the floor with the other kids here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit finished up and get up out of here. Say have a blessed day.
Have a blessed day. I got a new coat.
Yes, love it.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like caught in the midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, our goals, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden.
So you guys, I just wanted to take the time to introduce myself just in case you are new here. My name is Alicia and I'm a stay-at-home mother of 4. I have a 20-year-old, a 7-year-old, 5-year-old, and a 2-year-old. And I got into the short-term rental business about 3 years ago. And this is what I do to bring in extra income just to help my husband out. I love to clean and I love to host, so I decided that I wanted to go ahead and show you all this side of Alicia at home. I also share content like decorating and homeschool content on occasion, and I also show travel. I'm thinking about putting the travel and vlog type content on my other channel, which is called The Bams Family, which is a family channel for my family. And if you're interested in that, I will link that channel name in the description box below so that you can come over and check that out as well. I will be getting more content uploaded over there shortly. So anyway, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it's definitely going to help my channel to grow. I appreciate the love and support. Okay, you guys, so here I'm just showing you that I had already cleaned off the counter, the mirror, and I was working on cleaning off the front of the cabinet faces. And for whatever reason, my camera cut off, and I'm just going to have to figure something out because I'm missing a lot of content. But I just wanted to show you all and update you on what I had already done.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Look at all this hair. Get the vacuum. Don't even touch it. All the hair is up. Now let's get it clean. Look at that. I said like this. It wasn't like that.
often there to deal with people in their lives who won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. Some days I wish I had a relationship status. Then I remember last time I ain't got time for that. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you.
All right, you guys, I forgot to do my closing out showing the complete view of the clean unit, and so I'm sorry about that, you guys, but I just finished up, and I'm heading home now. And I just wanted to close out the video and say thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post. Thank you so much for your love and for your support. Stay safe, stay blessed, peace.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run